With the help of smart tips, your users will find it much easier to navigate through Nitro than ever before and make learning a breeze. We'll start by opening a document in Nitro, and we can do this in several ways. The File Open method is the most common way, along with double-clicking the document itself through File Explorer. We have the option to right-click our PDF documents and choose Edit with Nitro Pro, as well as the ability to drag and drop the document directly into the window. If we wanted to create a new document, we can do this by clicking File, New. In this case, I want to convert an existing file I have to a PDF format. Let's take this proposal document and look at ways we can achieve this. Through Nitro itself, you can convert your documents to PDF by using the Home PDF from File method. By adding your files in this window and clicking Create, it will convert them to PDF. You can also drag and drop your files directly into Nitro, as well as right-click and selecting Convert to PDF with Nitro Pro. But say we weren't using Nitro at all, and we were using Microsoft Word. The great thing about the Nitro package is that it also comes with the Microsoft Office add-ins, which help you quickly convert your Office documents to PDF. The add-ins included a Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, which we'll touch on more later. For every other program, you can use a file, print method to create your PDFs with the use of the Nitro PDF Creator or Printer. To put it simply, a program which can print can also create PDFs with the use of Nitro. We'll go ahead and use Nitro's add-ins to create our PDF document. Once complete, the document will open in Nitro, ready for our next workflow. We've now successfully converted our document to PDF, but it feels like we're missing something. Let's add a cover page. Under the Home, Combine, I can add the current file I'm working on, as well as drag and drop any files I want to combine. Once I hit Create, it will prompt me to save a newly combined document. But let's backtrack because there's another way we can do this. Seeing as I'm only wanting to combine two documents together and one is already open, I can open my Pages pane on the left side of the document and simply drag and drop the file I want. Not only to convert, but also combine the files together at the same time. We now have our PDF document, so let's take a look at editing content. With the Edit tool, which is pinned under every tab or ribbon, we can quickly manipulate the objects within the document. Using the Edit tool, we'll hover over the object we want to modify, and Nitro will let us know what object we're currently focusing on with a blue border. By clicking into the object, we can add and even modify the existing text, just like so. Let's say I wanted my end user to have the ability to fill out a bit of information within the document. What I can do is create some form fields for them so they don't require a PDF editor to add their own information. Under the Forms ribbon, I'm able to create various types of form fields for my client to fill out. In this case, I'd like to make two basic text fields. I'll drag and drop where I want these fields to go, and I can even take it a step further by highlighting them with the Select Fields tool and aligning them to the left under the Alignment ribbon. Of course, if I wanted to change the properties of a form field, I can do so by right-clicking and choosing Properties. Okay, I'm happy with this document, so I'll go ahead and add my signature. To do this, I use the Home, QuickSign, and select Create New Signature. Nitro gives you the ability to draw, take from file, handwrite your signature. However, the most popular method is to simply hold up your signature to the front of the webcam and capture it. I click OK and I'm immediately able to place my signature into the document. So we've gone through the various tools which add content to the document, but I'd like to cover two functions which has the ability to delete content. One being the whiteout tool found under the Erase ribbon, and this tool lets you quickly remove content from your document regardless of what object type it is. The second tool is redaction, and it's placed under the Protect ribbon as well as the Erase ribbon for a reason. Once you redact information from your document, you're unable to retrieve it unless you open the original file. This is especially useful if you wish to remove or omit sensitive information from your documents. Let's take this proposal document as an example. Say I wanted to remove the company from the document. I could go in and highlight every instance of the term "the machine," but using the Search and Redact feature, Nitro can do this for me automatically. Within the search results, I can choose which instance I'd like to mark for redaction, or simply choose all of them. Once I'm happy with what's been marked, I click Apply All Redactions, and a warning sign appears beforehand, because as I mentioned, once you click OK, the content will be removed permanently. Next, let's take a look at a common workflow we come across, and that's editing scanned documents, which users are usually unable to do as what they have is essentially an image. Take this document for example. It's a single object, and when I try to double click into it, I'm taken to the Format ribbon. Nitro has an advanced tool called Optical Character Recognition, which allows you to take a scanned document and either make it searchable or searchable and editable. In this instance, I want to edit the document. Once complete, it will transform the document into something that I can easily insert and delete text from with the Edit tool. Lastly, let's take a look at the Outlook integration. The add-in not only allows you to create PDF documents from emails, but like the other Office add-ins, has its own post-processing features. Things such as converting links, embedding attachments, and even combining or making portfolios from multiple emails can be done through here. In this example, I want to take this email with an attachment and embed it into the PDF I'm going to create. Once a document has been created, I can open the Attachments pane on the bottom left corner and see that the PDF file has been attached to the document. I can take it a step further and double-click the attachment to open the PDF file in Nitro. Before you go, I wanted to show you a feature unique to Nitro for Enterprise, and that's a customizable Home ribbon. All the tools we use within Nitro today can also be added to your Home tab. This not only increases productivity, but also has Nitro ready for your next task when you open it.